Just a quick update. Took the blower off, obviously. We're doing twin turbo. They are twin 6766. Wastegates are 15-pound springs, and I will be installing a Mac valve. I'll probably mount that there. But it's been a lot of work. Had to custom make pretty much everything to retain the air conditioning. It's tight. I have everything heat wrapped, double wrapped, triple wrapped, some places. I'm not done yet. This is just where I'm at right now. It does tie into the H-pipe underneath. And the coils, I still have to find a place to mount the coils. I have the nice ICT billet brackets. And I think I'm gonna mount them somewhere. I might see if I have room to mount them to the oil pan underneath, where the bolts are. But just a quick update, and looking forward to getting this thing started in probably a few days.